Hello, Grace.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Hey guys, what up? We are going to Bohol.
Bohol.
Bohol. And these guys were slow, so we missed the ferry.
What? You slow? No way. Yeah.
When
We are
does
ready
11?
since 9.
I said 10:40 a.m. and everyone rounded it up to 11. Let's eat our chicken. We're obviously eating Jollibee for like the 9th time. No, we don't.
You said you didn't want to. You want to go there and check. Why do you want to tell everyone that you want to have a car already?
What if she offers a lower price?
She's gonna call the same time.
It's fine. I'm checking for tickets. Had to go through security, male and female, which I don't even understand why.
There's a cat.
This is a port that we're taking to Bohol. There's a boat there. Why are they checking?
They take like boarding pass type thing, you know, taking half.
Manus has nice arms.
Check this.
Number 8. Yeah, boarding already.
Alright, thank you.
Let's go. We're boarding. Good thing we brought our passports.
Huh?
Good thing we brought our passports. Priyanka wanted to leave first. We are boarding another day, another boat for the Chindians. We've taken hundreds of boats together. More boats than airplanes.
No.
Yeah. Took at least 10 in the Maldives.
Yeah.
Let's go to Bohol.
Hello, bye, chalo.
These guys are taking pictures. This is our boat. We are sitting upstairs outside with no aircon. Tourist. Hey guys. We're on a boat. We're on a boat. It's not as nice as Thailand, but it's still a boat. I feel like I'm gonna vomit on this.
Massive body
I feel my stomach churning already.
I wanted a Thailand boat.
It's not Thailand. You don't plan to go to Thailand.
We came earlier. There was a river and stuff. That goes really into the native area. You can see like people being really native.
We are in Bohol on our way
into
to
the native areas.
caves.
Where are we?
Hingdanan Caves.
Bohol.
Hingdanan Caves. Hey, don't be racist. My pretzel started running out, so I'm sad.
They're finally around.
After like 5 days.
Hi guys.
We are in this cave. You can see everything that's swimming. It's stalactites.
You can keep stuff there.
I think this is the only cave there. Okay.
Very cool. This is in Bohol. It's called Hingdanan Cave.
सुन मेरी बात डाई मार लियो सामान यहाँ रखने का फायदा नहीं
We are on our way to where? I still don't know where we're going. Meerkats, apparently. I don't like meerkats. They're ugly.
Yeah. We like me
I don't know if they're meerkats. They're like these things that you see in Madagascar. Never really have a Madagascar vibe.
Don't remind me about it. Guys, if you ever go to Universal Studios, avoid that Madagascar ride.
forest. And we had to get out of the way and drive all over the place or take pictures because cars were everywhere. But this is very nice. Good job, Philippines, for this man-made forest. Very nice. It took 60 years to grow this. Right, Marcus?
Yeah, it is pretty good. Yeah. 60 years. 60 years.
We are currently at the Chocolate Hills. They're called that because they look like hills of chocolate. Is that true? I don't know if that's true. Huh? To see a hill of chocolate, you have to pay money.
I think we'll go up top only, no?
Huh?
We're going up top.
Oh, but we don't need.
Hey guys, we're on our boat back to Cebu City from Bohol. Can you stop saying Bohol? Bohol. I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog. You can hear us. Don't do that, it'll come off.
The other guy.
This side, he's dead. Akash. Shogun. We outside Walker over there.
Getting along.
Oh, I'm running out of battery. Manus is having a great time. Lost his glasses again.
I need to get new ones now.
For like the 90th time. We'll get them
Same cab.
in the same cab. Guys, leave comments on how Manus should be more responsible. How Manus should be more responsible. Give him tips.
Deliberate or not deliberate? The world is waiting for one.
He's gonna give it.
He is going to give it. It is a penalty.
You'll know what you think. Right now there is one man who matters. Certainly went at it with his foot. That was clearly the intention. He wanted to handle. Handle he did. What is the verdict? One more look. Put yourself in this group.
What if he moved his hand down like this?
To make.
He moved his hand. If he didn't move it, then like fair enough. Yeah, but he missed it with his foot.
Truly this is a 21st century game. He's going to step up again.
Goal or no goal?
It's a goal.
Come on, Greasy.
France have never lost when Antoine Griezmann scored.
Did he score the first one though, right?
Yeah.